Welcome to the best picks. The best magnetic phone mount is probably one of the most convenient and sought-after accessories for drivers, offering a seamless way to integrate your smartphone into your vehicle without the hassle of bulky mounts or complicated setups. Its magnetic design allows for quick and easy attachment and detachment, ensuring effortless access to navigation, music, and communication features while on the go, making it a must-have for anyone who frequently uses their phone in their car. Number 5. LISEN Magnetic Car Phone Holder. This innovative car phone holder is designed for a secure and easy phone mounting experience. Its unique design ensures your phone stays put, even on bumpy roads. The secure hook design firmly grips your car's air vents. It's incredibly stable, so you don't have to worry about it falling off. Installation is a breeze. Simply attach it to your air vent and adjust the clip to fit. You'll be ready to go in seconds. It's officially certified and rigorously tested for quality, safety, and signal strength. It's compatible with most smartphones and mini tablets. With its magnetic design, it's incredibly easy to use. Just bring your phone close, and it snaps securely into place, even while driving. Experience the ultimate in convenience and security with this magnetic car phone holder. Order yours today. What we like. It has a unique hook design that won't fall off, even on bumpy roads. Installation is a snap, just hook it onto your air vent. If you need a reliable and easy-to-use car phone mount that fits almost any phone, this is it. What people say. The 6 strong magnets hold my phone firmly in place, even on bumpy roads. It's easy to clip on, and the phone stays stable throughout the drive. It is easy to install, but once secured it holds very stable. It has been working so well that we purchased a second one for my husband's car. The magnet is the perfect strength and won't let your phone fly off mid-drive even with hard turns or stops. The tightness of the knob is good too, and the phone won't drop down and angle the phone down on the vent. Number 4. Scosche MagicMount. Securely mount your phone to your car's dashboard. It's heat-resistant and keeps your phone firmly in place, reducing distractions and improving road safety. Enjoy stable, hands-free driving with its rare earth neodymium magnets. Attach the metal plate to your phone case for a secure grip, ensuring a firm hold on your car dash. Easily adjust your phone's viewing angle while driving. Its 360-degree adjustable head offers complete freedom to position it for the best view. Quickly access your phone's controls and ports. The cradle-free design allows for one-handed use, and the integrated cable clip adds convenience and safety. For larger or heavier phones, place the magic plate directly on your phone or case. Wait 24 hours after applying the magic plate before using the mount. All devices need the included plates. It's not compatible with MagSafe. Conveniently mount your phone on your car dashboard. It includes a metal magic plate, protective film, and a user manual. It's backed by Scosche's lifetime tech support and a 3-year warranty. What we like. This boasts powerful magnets for a secure hold and a 360 degrees adjustable head for optimal viewing. It's designed for dashboard mounting, providing a stable platform. If you prioritize a strong magnetic hold and versatile viewing angles, this is the one for you. What people say. The magnetic works great. Most phone mounts are bulky and gross. This one is small but does a fantastic job at its desired purpose. If you are worried about the magnet being weak and unable to hold up your phone, I'm here to tell you that you should not be worried at all. These work great in my car. The magnetic plates attach to my phone case and have been holding steady there. The attachment to the mount is solid, quick, and easy. I don't have any issues with bumps up and down. With the plate on the outside, there's no fear of it coming off. Adhesion seems good so far. Perfect amount of stick to the magnet. My iPhone X is held securely with no wobbling but can also be pulled off easily if needed. Locking ring means I can twist it tight and it will stay in position without coming loose, rattling around, or starting to droop while driving. Number 3. Syncwire Magnetic Car Phone Holder. This innovative car phone mount offers a secure and convenient way to use your phone while driving. Its strong magnets and adjustable design ensure a perfect view, no matter the road. It boasts super strong N52 magnets, guaranteeing a firm grip even on bumpy roads. Say goodbye to your phone falling during sudden stops. It's compatible with almost any smartphone, including iPhones and Android devices. Simply attach the included metal plate to your phone and you're ready to go. The reliable 3M adhesive pad keeps it firmly in place, even during sudden braking or driving on rough terrain. Enjoy a secure and worry-free driving experience. With its 360 degrees adjustable design, you can easily rotate and swivel your phone to your preferred viewing angle. Find the perfect position for optimal visibility. It's crafted with a durable aluminum alloy body and soft silicone accents for a sleek look and feel. It's both stylish and built to last. Its compact size ensures it won't obstruct your view. Enjoy safe and convenient phone access without compromising your driving. You'll receive the magnetic phone holder, metal plates, adhesive pads, protective films, and wet wipes for easy installation. Everything you need is included for a seamless setup. We stand behind our product with a 3-year warranty. If you encounter any issues, we're here to help with a replacement. What we like. It features super strong magnets and a 360 degrees adjustable design for ultimate viewing flexibility. The solid build ensures durability and a secure hold. If you want a robust and adjustable magnetic car mount, this is a great option. What people say. The holder itself is not very big. But it does the job of Hercules. You can move the holder different positions, left, right, up, and down. It's very convenient when a certain app must be placed a certain way for proper view. The holder does not take up a lot of space and is easy to install. The adhesive bonds well to the dashboard so far and the magnet is nice and strong. My phone stays in place even with large bumps or potholes. Super easy to use and install. The swivel joint is rock solid tight, yet smooth as silk. No plastic at all as almost all others are, only machined metal alloys, within a minimalist design. Magnetics are impressively strong and do the job very well. I attached it to the LCD display for the radio as it is only half an inch round at the base and when placed in a corner barely covers anything. Number 2. Scosche MAGRKI MagicMount Kit. These metal plates are compatible with any magnetic phone holder. They easily attach to your phone, case, or tablet, providing a secure hold. Made with a durable, heat-resistant material, it offers a strong grip in any environment. It keeps your device safely connected to your mount. It works with all magnetic car phone holders, regardless of where it's mounted. Different sizes are available to fit various devices. Apply the included film for easy attachment and removal. This protects your device while ensuring a strong magnetic connection. For larger phones, place it directly on your phone or case. For best results, wait 24 hours after application before using. The kit includes large and small metal plates with adhesive, protective film, and instructions. It's backed by Scosche's lifetime tech support and a 3-year warranty. What we like. These metal plates provide a strong magnetic connection and are compatible with any magnetic phone mount. A protective film is included to prevent damage to your phone. If you need replacement plates or extra plates for multiple devices, this is a must-have. What people say. The plates included work seamlessly with all devices, regardless of the make or model. Whether you have an iPhone, Android, or any other smartphone, tablet, or even a GPS device, these plates will securely hold your device in place. The extra strength hold provided by these replacement plates is impressive. They adhere to the back of your device firmly and stay in place, ensuring that your phone or tablet won't budge, even on bumpy rides. Installation is a breeze. The kit comes with multiple plates of varying sizes and shapes, so you can choose the one that best fits your device and the type of case you use. The adhesive on the plates is strong, and they attach easily to the back of your device or inside your case. The adhesive is also residue-free, so you don't have to worry about any sticky residue left behind when you remove the plates. Number 1. Scosche MagicMount Flex. Introducing the Scosche MagicMount Flex. It quickly and safely secures your phone to your car's dashboard or windshield. Enjoy a smooth and worry-free drive. Its stick grip suction cup base provides a firm hold on any surface. No more shaky phone calls or accidental drops while driving. A powerful neodymium magnet keeps your phone securely in place. It's 100% safe for your device. Simply attach the magnet to your phone case. With a fully adjustable neck, you can rotate it to any angle. Seamlessly switch between portrait and landscape mode. The integrated cable clip keeps your charging cable tidy. Its cradle-free design allows easy one-handed access to your phone. It comes with a suction cup mount, a magic plate, protective film, and a user manual. Plus, it's backed by Scosche's lifetime tech support and a 3-year warranty. For larger phones, attach the magic plate directly to your phone or case for the strongest hold. Wait 24 hours after application before use. Note, this is not compatible with MagSafe. What we like. It offers a flexible neck for easy positioning and a suction cup base for secure mounting on your dashboard or windshield. The 360 degrees adjustable head allows for optimal viewing. If you prefer a flexible and adjustable mount with a strong suction cup, this is perfect for you. What people say. Stand adheres to dash strongly. Hold steady on rough roads. The mount attached to my dash easily and stayed there no problem with the double back tape pre-installed on the mount. Using this made driving much safer and kept my eyes up about dash level even when answering incoming calls or looking at the GPS. Great adhesion, easy install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.